everybody, welcome to episode number 110 here on season number 2. And today we are getting into Robinhood Recap April edition. So these videos are meant for educational purposes only and not meant to be taken as financial advice. You're responsible for your assets and to properly protect them. So always do your own research. When I originally started the Robinhood recap, I think like way back in November or something like that, I was doing a lot of swing trading. So this was a way for me to stay accountable and transparent with you, the viewer, on the trades that I was making throughout the month. But this month, just like the last 3 months, I have not been swing trading so much. Actually, this month, I did not make any swing trades. In all honesty, I traded cryptocurrency more than I traded stocks. Now, don't go out and take that out of context. That doesn't mean that I won't be swing trading. That means that I'm just taking a break from swing trading. The nice thing is, though, that my account had extremely good growth this month. Like, I had a lot of good earnings calls on stocks that I felt were very undervalued. And last month I did mention how I was sitting with about a third of my account liquid. That is still the case this month. And basically it's sitting there waiting for me to start swing trading again. Anyways, enough about the month. Let's go ahead and take a look at the Robinhood account. So this is the actual Robinhood desktop platform. And this is the 1 month right here run from April 1st all the way up to May 1st or close of April 30th. So it would be actually this day right here, which the run on that would be roughly 6.97%. As far as the companies that I hold, they're all going to be listed here on the right hand side, and I will go ahead and scroll through those real quick. I did pick up one stock today that, sad to say, it didn't turn out the way that I wanted it to be. I went ahead and picked up some Snapchat, a little bit under $14, three shares, just to kind of take a gamble on the earnings call, and unfortunately it didn't work out in my favor. But it was very speculative, so I guess to say the least, stuff happens. What we'll do is we'll look at the actual spreadsheet that I used to track my overall account. Everything's going to be listed on here as well. These are all the stocks that I'm currently in. Here is the entry price here. And then if you scroll down here, it's going to be basically a percent breakdown of each of those different subsects of the portfolio. So for instance, the way that I run this thing, like long-term holds, I can afford to buy $6 more of a stock that's in the long-term holds, and same thing with the dividends. And then as you move further down, here's a breakdown of each individual stock. So for instance, on the long-term holds, I could go ahead and pick up a little bit of SFF or XXII, which both of those today I did place orders for. They just didn't hit the limit order, and so I didn't pick up any of those shares. But moving on from there, we'll take a look at the actual overall, like if I made any trades or dividends or anything like that, and growth and all that kind of stuff. So as far as this month went, I made $2.09 actually like came into my account. That's not growth. That's just like what I was actually paid. That's realized gains. And if you scroll down to here to April, I have only dividends that I paid this month. I did not take any swing trades at all. So I made $2.90 from dividends. As far as total account growth or gross growth on the account, I made $110.12. Net growth on the account, it was $84.12. My dividends over swing trades, or the money that I have allocated towards swing trading, it was 0.23%. But the percent of growth on the overall account, so the net growth on the account as far as percent breakdown, was 7.22%. And then the percent of growth to swing trades was 0.69%. So obviously, because I didn't do a bunch of swing trading, I just took the dividends and applied them there, and basically said that they were like swing trades. I just calculated as like realized gains would be the correct term. And then lastly, we'll go ahead and take a look at the overall picture for the actual account. Right now it sits at $1,275.6, so $1,275. Last month I was at $1,165. So that's still really good growth, and I did expect that because, like I said, from March to April of last year, I did basically do the same thing. I increased about $100, so I figured that would happen about the same time this year. Just looking forward into next month, it looks like April to June. It looks like I'd never even tracked May, so who knows? I guess it will be exciting on where this account goes moving into May. I don't know what happened. I don't know how I missed and didn't track May, I guess, last year. Like, what the heck? That's my bad. That's my bad. I'll take the cake on that one. So overall, with the performance this month on the actual Robinhood account, I was really excited to see that really good growth. It really makes me think that my strategy by buying undervalued stocks and then waiting them for them to grow is actually starting to work out. So I guess that's to say that I'll continue to buy undervalued stocks, and then I hope to incorporate here soon some swing trading to get a quicker compounding effect on that account. But we will go ahead and leave it right there. Let's jump into the question of the day, which is, what were you completely certain of until you found out you were wrong? Wait, you mean that the moon is not still made of cheese? No, but like when I found out that the moon was not made out of cheese, I was like completely embarrassed. No, I'm kidding. I never actually believed that the moon was made out of cheese. Come on, guys, be serious. Like I always say, if you got any questions regarding Stash, Acorns, Robinhood, as well as general investing advice, business Etsy coaching, post those questions down below. Don't forget to subscribe right up here and check out my Robinhood recap March edition. Check out this other video right here. And as always, thank you for watching. I really appreciate it.